Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to configure a Raspberry Pi as a web server. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to configure a Raspberry Pi as a web server, the standard method is to install a LAMP. LAMP meaning Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP, or LAMP, Linux, MySQL and PHP stack. So this transforms your Raspberry Pi into a lightweight server capable of hosting a static or dynamic website on your local network or the internet. So simply prepare the Raspberry Pi, install the OS, enable the SSH and update and upgrade. After this, you need to simply install your Apache and install your PHP or MySQL. And once you have installed all of these, you need to simply now restart your Apache and host your website. After you host your website, you can also make your server accessible online, which is completely optional, and then you're all done. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.